Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Paul, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about my Festina watch. For those of you that are not familiar with this brand, it's been established back in 1902 in Switzerland, so it's renowned for the technical precision found in all of their watches. The brand has been bought by a Spanish group of watchmakers later on, and even though they tried preserving the tradition and soul of the Swiss company, the latest models, however, found a new heart, some of the most accurate Japanese quartz mechanism. Still, they continued using innovative features and materials from the high end of watchmaking, which made them establish themselves as one of the leading brands in Europe. Now back to our watch. You get a really nice impression of the watch you are buying starting from the box it comes in. Obviously you're not buying a watch for its box, but this makes it at the same time a really cool item to buy as a present. It looks and feels like one of those boxes you get when you buy jewelry. The watch comes with a gold-plated stainless steel round case and a white dial covered by a hardened mineral glass. The case is 39mm in diameter and 8mm in thickness, so it's quite small, I would say, or however it's made with the intention of getting a vintage looking stylish watch. It has a really nice brown leather strap with a golden stainless steel buckle. The functions are limited to timekeeping and a small date display, which you can adjust by simply putting the stem in the first position and turning the crown in a counterclockwise direction. And this is the way it looks on your hand. The price tag was £85 brand new, which is around $100 US, and it also comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. So if you are still wondering are Festina watches any good, what I can say is I'm a big fan of Festina watches myself, and I think they are well built with good quality parts and offer a good value for money, so I believe it's a very good brand that you can trust. There's a link in the description of the video where you can find this watch, so make sure to check it out. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to be notified when I post new reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.